So we got a little bit of a problem today. I know we always seem to have some problems, but if you look right down here, the airline that feeds the seat, it got a little pinch in it.
We're trying to fix the air leak, but it's a little loud.
Grumble, grumble, grumble. It started leaking, and it got a little worse, and it got a little worse. So instead of just buying a compression fitting to stick it back together, I actually bought one of these little handy dandy little air hoses. So it actually comes with the fitting, the T-fitting right there for all you need. Just cut it there, cut it to size, and then stick it in both ends. No tools required. So yeah, this is a quick fix that we got to also fix the airline, and now we have a nice little blower to blow the dust out of the car. And Lily doesn't like it too well. Come here, Lily. Come here. Come here. Come on. It's okay. It's not going to hurt you. Yep. Like $30 at the truck stop. There was another one that had some compression fittings, but we didn't have any tools with us, so the press and fit worked just fine. All right, guys. Be safe. Have a great day. God bless.